Okay, hello everyone. Let's see why we can see floor in your floor plan even when it is outside of the view range. And we can see it in this example that I have a floor plan. Here my view range in this floor plan is top is 2300, cut plane is 1200 and bottom and view depth is on the 0 from the level 2. So if I go to this section, you can see that this represents my view range, top, cut plane and bottom and the view depth. Here I have the additional visibility of the floor's threshold, which is 1220 millimeters. And you can see that my floor, this one, is actually outside of my view range of the floor plan, but inside of this threshold, so I can still see it in my floor plan, even though it's outside of the view range. If I move this directly on the threshold, 1220, now you cannot see it. And if I move it 1 millimeter up, you can see it. So this is an additional threshold which is there in Revit. And you have to think about this when working.